What's up, guys? It's the Ultra Mega Gojira Rawr, and today I have a special package today from my dad. I don't know what's in it, but I have some nice watches that my dad got me. It's a fancy watch for like all the lumps. So it could be a plush or some little watch box. I don't know. I haven't peeked in it. So let's start to open it. Look, this is hard. We almost got it out. And we got a watch box. So this is what it looks like. So you open it like, I haven't tested how this works. How I open it. Oh, there. So you squeeze this and then you pull it back and then there. So you could put all kinds of watches. You just unwrap it and then you roll it around these little things. I had no idea what to call. But we might want to try to put this in maybe. So let's try it. Oh, it's up there. So this might take a little while because this is a. So you put it around like that, then you wrap it like. So that's pretty much how I put it on. It's not like perfect. And here's a nice cool key. I don't know what's for, but I just have found it. So you just put it in like that. And then, so that's how it looks like. And then you put it and shut it. But this is a mystery. What's this for? It's some little key. But I don't know what's for. Let me just try to take it out. Oh, key. Wait. Oh! Oh, I think it's on upside down. Yeah. What's wrong with Mr. Key? How do I exactly do this? I have no idea. So this, whatever. I'll just put it right there. So I'm gonna have to wrap up the video right now. So thanks guys for watching. I'll see you later. Rawr!